Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, since it's getting close to me having him, I thought I would do a what's in my hospital bag and baby bag. I am currently 36 weeks. I'm about to be 37 tomorrow. I'm really excited. He could be here at any point after tomorrow. So without further ado, let's get started with the video.
Best, but you're the worst. What the hell was we thinking? Compromise for no reason.
So I'm going to start off with the baby's bag. This is one of his diaper bags that I'll be bringing. Yeah, I'm bringing this bag. It has a bunch of pockets on it, so it'll definitely be useful. Like, there's all types of like hidden like zippers and pockets and whatnot. It's a lot in here, but I'm not bringing a lot for him because the doctor told me already that since I already had a baby, that they're only keeping me at the hospital for 24 hours. So I'm not going to be there for like the standard, I guess, 2 days that people do stay. So we're only going to be there 4 days, so he's not going to have a lot of stuff in his bag. The first thing that I am bringing is 2 burp cloths. I doubt I'm going to need these. I can't remember if my last hospital gave us burp cloths at all, but I'm just bringing them just in case. You never know if you need them or not, so I'm just gonna bring those just in case. So I got 2 burp cloths. Then I got this tiny soft baby blanket, so I'm bringing that. I'm bringing him 3 pairs of socks just to keep his feet warm. They don't give you socks. I remember with my first one, they gave him like a long sleeve shirt that buttons across his whole body, but they don't give you socks. So I brought 3 pairs of socks. I'm bringing 3 outfits for him, and all of his outfits have bibs. So I'm bringing 3 bibs. I'm bringing this onesie just for him to, I guess, go to sleep in like overnight, depending on when I have him. It all depends on how I'm about to do these outfits, but for right now, if I have him during the day and then we stay overnight, he will be sleeping in this. And then I'm bringing 2 outfits. So for the first one, I just have a plain white onesie, some pants, a hat, and then a bib that matches the outfit. And then for the second outfit, I have another white onesie, these gray pants, and then a matching hat with the bear ears, and then a Nike bib. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put the gray outfit, his coming home outfit, but I don't know yet. We'll see how everything plays out. And then I am bringing 2 pacifiers. I know the hospital gives you pacifiers, but just in case he doesn't like the one the hospital gave him, I have this little ma'am one and then this Tommy Tippy one, so I can give him options on what he likes. So when I had my first one, the hospital pretty much provided everything: diapers, wipes, clothes, swaddles, literally everything. Like, I didn't even have to bring anything for my first one, so I'm kind of going off of that. I am giving birth on the military installation like I did last time, so I just wanted to bring a little bit of stuff for him and not everything like I did last time, because I don't need all that stuff. Ouch. But yeah, so that was everything for him. This is gonna be the bag I am taking. So it's just a simple pink one with like the shiny material on the straps. So this holds a lot, I can definitely say. Like, I'm surprised like how much it holds. I'm not too worried about packing a lot. So the first thing I am bringing is my makeup. I'm not going to be using everything in here. I'm just probably going to be using the mascara and then probably the eyebrow pencil, and that's about it. It's just easier just to bring the whole case since I have it. It just makes everything easier, just in case, even if I do want to add more stuff from this, I can. So I'm just bringing all my makeup. I'm bringing my toiletries. I'm bringing my toothbrush. Bringing a bar of soap. I'm going to add body wash to this. I don't have that in here just yet. I got a razor. I can definitely say that razor is a lifesaver, and it's so compact, so you can just bring it anywhere. And then I got a travel size deodorant. Then I'm bringing a comb and a brush. I'm still using my brush, so I'll add that like later. And then I'm bringing 2 hair ties. So that's all my toiletries. Oh, and I'm bringing a bottle of lotion Most of the stuff that I have right now is really just from my house, so I didn't go out and buy anything except for the toothbrush and probably the body wash whenever I do go and get it. And then I'm bringing 6 nursing pads. I don't know if I'm gonna be needing these or not. With my first one, I never used them. I never had to use them, so hopefully I don't have to use them, because these seem like it's gonna be a lot trying to continuously putting these in my bra. I don't want to deal with that, so hopefully I don't need these, but I'm bringing them. Then I am bringing 6 of these diapers. This is what they look like. I think they're always discreet. But yeah, when I had my first one, they give you like mesh underwear with the pad, but they didn't have my size, so I had to go to a medium and they were hanging off me. Did not like that, so I'm bringing my own diapers so I don't have to worry about if the sizing is gonna be an issue or not. I think that's all for like toiletry stuff and whatnot, makeup and everything. And then I am bringing some grip socks. They have like the little baby feet on them. I know I probably don't have to bring those because the hospital give me grip socks, but just to whenever I have him and then I get ready to take a shower, I can just throw on like some grip socks and just walk around if I want to. Or I have slippers, so I'll be wearing the slippers as well. I have my night outfit. So like I said, with him, I don't know when I'm going to have him, but whenever I do, I'm gonna take a shower and I have this tank top and these shorts on just to overnight, or whenever I do decide to take a shower, I'll be wearing that. I'm bringing 2 nursing bras just in case if I do leak, I have a backup, but I'm be wearing these. And then I have my going home outfit. So it's just this spaghetti strap bodysuit. It's really comfortable, it stretches, and if it's hot, then that's why I have a spaghetti strap, so I'm not overheating in it. And then I have pants, and they're pants too, so I still have something to cover my legs if it is cold. I'm bringing this flannel jacket with me just in case it is cold, then I have something to put on over that bodysuit. I'm bringing these slippers to either wear around the hospital or to wear with just my going home outfit. And I have some shower shoes coming in on Friday that I'm going to be adding to this bag. And then I am going to be adding my portable charger. I'm going to bring my camera, my other camera, but I have to find it. I'm going to be bringing my 12-foot charger, 10 or 12-foot charger. I may go out and buy another one just so I'll have an extra. That is everything that I'm bringing for baby boy and myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was like a short video, but we're not going to be there that long, so I'm not bringing that much stuff with me. But yeah, so we are awaiting his arrival, and we cannot wait till he gets here. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
'Cause we got shit in common, but why I gotta fight for nothing?